Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the basics of artificial intelligence, or AI. So, what exactly is AI? In simple terms, AI is the simulation of human intelligence in machines. These machines are designed to think and learn like humans. Sounds pretty cool, right? There are two main types of AI: narrow AI and general AI. Narrow AI is designed to perform specific tasks, like recommending you a song on Spotify or helping you navigate with Google Maps. It's basically everywhere in your daily life. General AI, on the other hand, is still theoretical. It's the idea of a machine that possesses the ability to perform any intellectual task that a human can do. We're not quite there yet, but it's exciting to think about. You've probably heard of machine learning. It's a subset of AI where computers use data to learn and make decisions without explicit programming. Then there's deep learning, a more advanced form of machine learning that uses neural networks to analyze data and make intelligent decisions. AI is already transforming industries. In healthcare, it's helping diagnose diseases earlier. In finance, it's predicting market trends. And in your smartphone, it's making your photos look better. The possibilities are endless, but with great power comes great responsibility. Ethical considerations are crucial to ensure AI benefits everyone. It's important we keep an eye on transparency, bias, and privacy. So, that's AI 101 for you. I hope this gave you a solid foundation. If you're excited about AI, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech insights. Until next time, stay curious. Peace out.